To pair PlayStation 5 controller into any TV, first of all, you have to enter for pairing mode. So before you do this, you have to make sure that you charge this controller for around 5 or 10 minutes by using USB-C port. And now we have to click and hold simultaneously PlayStation button and this button with these 3 lines. So click and hold it and wait until this indicator over here starts blinking quickly. Like blinking quickly, take a look. That's what you want to get. If it is not working, then you have to repeat this process. And now on your TV, you have to just click on the settings icon to simply open the settings. Just go for the all settings. And you are looking for connection or Bluetooth. It actually depends. In my case, I have to actually go for the system, for the remote and accessories, and go for a pair accessory. It looks different for every TV, but with this base information, I believe that you will be able to find it. And take a look now on available devices list. We can find DualSense wireless controller. So we have to click OK to confirm, and we are now waiting for a pairing request that we have to confirm with OK button on our remote controller. And now after a few seconds, we will be successfully connected. And in this specific TV, you can even use that controller like a remote controller, which is pretty good because you can much faster input some phrases if you want. There we go. And you can also play games. So this is everything. Thanks for watching.